welcome to the Crypto channel, where I teach people everything that they need to know about making money in the crypto space. You know, what you can do to make active income if you want, what you can do to also make passive income if that is your choice. Okay, so that is what this channel is focused on, and this formula, this strategy, these secrets, they work regardless of the country where you are in any part of the world. Okay, so today I want to show you how you can take advantage of an engine I call smart order trading. It is quite easy and it is convenient, and I'm going to show you some of the orders that I've made and what the proceed has been like so far in this tutorial. So but before we move on, if you're just getting to this channel for the first time, I'm the content creator at the Crypto channel, and this channel is about anything that makes life easy and more comfortable for you. So there are dozens of videos that can actually get you started in the cryptocurrency journey. Okay, so you want to come here and subscribe to this channel so that you'll be notified as soon as I make new videos. As you can see from here, I made this video about 31 minutes ago, so I keep making exciting videos and valuable content every week in, week out, day in, day out. Okay, so let's go back to this smart order. So you come here to this point, then click on trading. That is when you are logged into this website. So I will drop in a link down below so that you can sign up if you don't already have account on Bitsgap, so that you can enjoy 17 days, sorry about that, 14 days free trial on a pro account. So if you sign up with my link, you are having access to that straight up. So now this is AMPL USDT. I made a video about this on the bot trading course on how you can optimize this and take massive advantage of this price fluctuation. Okay, so you come here. If you want, you can click on the chart. That is, if you want to have a view of the chart, you can click this to have a view of that chart, or you can come here and click on orders. Okay, when you click on orders, then these are the open orders I have so far. So I have orders at different price range, as you can see from my screen. So I have order at 0.78 for AMPO, I have order at 0.78, 0.75, 0.85 also. So I have order there. Then for EOS I have order at 5.3. okay, then for Tron I have a sell order at 0.1475 also. So when you click here, this is the position. These positions has been opened on the platform. So this position opened at 0.86, and right now the price is about 0.89. okay, so on this there is an unrealized profit and loss, which is 3.88%. all right, now there is a condition here. You can see something like triggered condition. When you set an order, I'm going to show you in the next few seconds. Okay, when you create an order, you can create sell order, take profits, stop loss. You can create these three orders at the same time if you are using the smart trading terminal. All right, so this is an order on EOS and USDT, and this is about 4.6% unrealized profit and loss so far. This order was triggered at 5 USDT, and probably EOS at 5.4 USDT right now. Okay, so that is why the profit is about 4.65% right now. Okay, so now once these orders, once they get triggered, then I will find them here. Okay, so when you look at this order, they've been triggered, and they're in profit. Okay, so that's how it works. Now let me show you how to create this order, in case you are wondering, like, okay, how do I create something like this? Come to trading. Okay, when you get to trading, then you can come here. Let's assume I want to set an order at 0.8, sorry about that, 0.81. Then I want to buy 100 USDT worth of this token. Okay, then if you want to set a take profit point, click on it and increase this to 0.9. That's the take profit point, right? Then by the time by the time you're able to buy 0.81, so you're able to buy 123.45 amount at 0.81 USDT price. Okay, once that buy condition is met, immediately this smart engine will create a sell order, like take profit point for you at 0.9. So once that order is triggered, then automatically you should be able to make profit of 11.11%, as you can see from that screen. Okay, so at the same time you can set a stop loss at 0.78. okay, in case this thing, in case the market is going against you in a direction that you don't want, okay, then a stop loss order will be triggered once the price begins to fall, and it gets to 0.78. okay, so in that case your projected loss will be 3.99 USDT. okay, so and if that order should trigger at take profit point, then your projected profit is 11.10 USDT. okay, so that is how beautiful it is. Then as you can see from my screen, you are able to create a buy limit order, you are able to create a take profit, okay, then also you are able to create a stop loss. All right, so that is so amazing. And if you would like, you can turn this on, which is a trailing up, okay, button. If you like, you can disable it. So it's up to you on what to do with this. Okay, so this is how interesting the feature is, and I've been using it for quite some number of days now, and the result has been awesome so far, as you can see in my trade history. Okay, so I created the calls around the profitable trading calls, where I made a calls on how to take advantage of some pairs which have proven to be profitable for quite a number of months now. Okay, and there is a special group for it where I share profitable trading configuration with the rest of the community. So if you are going to be interested in that course, there is going to be a description, a link to that course in the description, okay, in the video description. So you may just click on it, and get access to that course so that you can be a part of the community. And I wish you a successful trading career from now. So see you in another video on this channel. Bye for